Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a magic loop. Okay, put my hook down. You take the tail of the yarn, you hold it like that. Take the working yarn and you wrap it around your finger. Make an X here. You see that? How I have an X in the front here? Pinch it with this finger. So now you have like these two loops on the back finger. You see? You're going to take your hook, insert it underneath, and then grab that one. Pull it through. And take your hook and go up. Okay? Then take your fingers out, and now you have a loop. Okay? Quick, right? So if you're going to do a, then you're going to chain. Usually you chain one to lock it, and then you can go ahead and make however stitches. Whenever you're crocheting into this magic loop, make sure that you crochet over both those strands. So I'm just going to go ahead and make 3 or 4 single crochets in here and say I'm done. I made my 3 or 4 single crochets. I'm going to take this here, the tail, and I'm going to give it a tug, and that's going to close up my circle. Okay, and that's how you make a magic loop. No fuss, no muss. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. Okay, Te veo. See you next time.